Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video of mine. It feels so good and exciting and refreshing to be uploading a makeup tutorial right now, and this is a very chatty makeup tutorial, but like I talk about things that I have needed to talk about for a while, things that are not about makeup but about my life and how I've been lately. But anyways, I hope you guys are down for the ride, and yes, I did pull this look off, bitch. What's up, guys? This is my first makeup tutorial I'm filming in my apartment. The only thing I'm kind of concerned about is the lighting. I hope that the lighting is okay. Oh gosh, I think I'm gonna grow my bangs out now because I don't know, guys. I kind of am done with them. I'm just taking it day by day. Bangs can be an awkward thing, I'm sure you guys know. Okay, first I'm gonna start by applying this anti-acne gel I actually found in a natural Mexican beauty shop in Mexico. So it is in Spanish, but it says tea tree oil and zinc oxide, I believe that's what that says, but it's very good for, you know, if you have a face like me. It's at La Madre Tierra. I went into this little Mexican beauty bar and this beautiful lady worked there. And she knew enough English to converse with us easily, but she like came up to me right as soon as we walked into the store and was like, oh honey, I know what to show you. I wasn't wearing any makeup on this day, so she knew right when she saw me what I needed. Yeah, so she gave me this stuff. She also gave me a night cream that is like a more of a spot treatment. It has sulfur in it. I like how it's all natural stuff. I'll always trust Mother Nature with her medicine. I know that you guys haven't seen all of my Tulum, Mexico vlogs yet, but I loved it so much, you guys. Even just like walking through the poorer parts of Tulum, I even enjoyed that because I don't know, I like seeing just the rawness of different areas and the people and what they're like, and I don't know, it's interesting to me to see all that. But okay, so I'm gonna move on to my foundation, and you guys, I have been obsessing over this foundation from Too Faced. It is so amazing, you guys. It looks and feels like you're not wearing anything, and it smells like peaches. I am the light beige shade, if you guys are wondering. I am about to hustle really hard with my channel though. I know I've been saying that, and I'm like so say but not do lately, and I realize that, and it's frustrating me. I'm about to get serious, y'all. I'm about to film an outfit video today, and I'm just so excited. I feel like my little girl self again when I first started YouTube. So I know my channel's like plateaued over the past like year or so because I literally just haven't been focusing on it. I've been focusing on so many different distractions as a teenager, and I always carried that guilt on my back of just being distracted, and I always felt kind of like when I thought about what I was doing and how I wasn't even working on my channel, I would just feel like I wasn't even deserving of being Hannah Blair. Like, I don't know how to put it. It feels like more of a burden when I don't believe in myself, I should say, that I have a channel and I have people who are wanting to watch my videos. It feels more of a burden when I feel not myself, because it's like, who are these people looking up to? Like, if I can't look up to myself, like, what am I gonna do? You know, it's kind of just like a very inner conflict that I think a lot of YouTubers might share with me, but it's good to talk about it. But I feel now that I am coming out of that stage of my life, and I feel like the creativity is like brewing. It would only hurt myself if I don't follow through with this, and if I don't express myself in every way I can possible. It's like a message to myself. Like, explaining yourself might be like the hardest thing to explain. All I can say now is I'm able to explain this to you now because I'm slipping out of it, because I'm coming out of it. I'm coming into the next stage of, I finally feel like I'm able to really express myself, and I'm every day not caring more about what people think of me. You know, we're humans and our struggles are continuous, and you just have to find a solution within yourself. I wouldn't have even told you guys this, you know, like I've been in denial of this whole thing. I've just been, you know, like telling you guys I've been busy and stuff. That's me in denial. Like, not to get super psychological on y'all, but you know I'm a psychological bitch. Like, I always gotta talk about something psychological. There's a lot going on in the world too, and it's just really important to like speak out and like show people what you believe in. And if you guys are wondering why it keeps getting so dark in here, it's because it must be a cloudy day, so the clouds keep covering the sun, You know what's up. I'm going over all my zits and stuff with this NARS concealer. By the way, this is the Radiant Creamy Concealer I always use, and this is in Custard. And then I know that leaves kind of like a white cast, so I'm going to go back over with my foundation. I'm just going to put it on my hand this time. I kind of stopped doing like the fashion side of YouTube for a while, but I know honestly it's just such a paradox to me why I did that, because I love fashion so much and I am planning on doing a lot of fashion videos because I'm obsessed with creating looks. And I don't know why when I don't believe in myself, or when I feel like down, when I have my head hanging low, I just think all of my ideas are dumb and like no one would want to see that. No, and I've talked about all this with Abel, and he says you guys would literally probably rather see my shitty content than no content at all. And I understand that, like, but something in me was just, and I'm sure you guys have observed this of me. I let myself post, and every time I post, like every couple weeks or so, every so often I would let myself experience these little glimpses of the happiness I do feel when I do create things. And like after I posted a video, I would be like, okay, I don't have to worry about it for like the next week. But then a week would go by, and that glimpse of happiness that I felt while I was making the video a week ago is now gone, and it's so far away that I don't even really have that much motivation. I don't even really have that much motivation to think of something to film. And then if I do think of something, I'm like, okay, well, is YouTube even into that anymore? I don't think they are. Just talking myself down, 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 down. It's when I make a video and I post it, and then I just keep working on it right after that, and I hold on to that glimpse of happiness and I turn it into a whole rainbow of happiness. And I just keep it consistent. I'm out of high school now, and I'm noticing, observing myself, and this is what I've come to realize. Okay, is this even a makeup tutorial anymore? I'm gonna get this Pro Core diffuser from Sephora. Okay, so I've been loving setting my face with this Dermablend setting powder. It's such a big bottle container, but smudge resistance and enhances wearability for up to 16 hours of consistent color wear. They did send this to me, and Lord knows I needed it because I was just running out of my travel size Laura Mercier. But I love this stuff. Wait, oh gosh, my brush is still a little wet because I cleaned them. But yeah, I like to just go all over my face with this so that it's a nice smooth finish. Alright, I'm gonna do my eyebrows next. Oh. So for eyebrows, I'm still using my Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. How could I ever lose her? You guys know I like big brows, so... I always like to do the darkest just all along the bottom of my brow, and then I like to rough it up with the other side. I do it really lightly but fast up here. I'm gonna set those with this 24-hour brow setter by Benefit. I'm always nervous that if I put my bangs down right after I put the clear gel on, my bangs will like get stuck to my eyebrows. Okay, really though, like I really need to take care of this because I hate not being able to see my lips. So if y'all want to know what I've really been obsessed with, if you haven't seen this palette before, okay, this is my favorite summer go-to palette now, you guys. Urban Decay Beached palette. Oh my gosh. I'm literally like I started salivating when I first received this in the mail. I loved that day. What were we gonna do though? What we gonna do today? This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna put this in the crease. For me, eyeshadow is always the most important right here because that's where my brow bone comes down, like right here. And so I really have to blend it out or else it could catch the eyeshadow and just make it harsh lines. That's what I've learned along my journey. This is Daybreak from this palette, by the way. I'm also going to take that color and put it on the bottom lash line. I'm going to take 16th Street, this one right here, and put that on my lid. Wait, honestly, you guys know I'm about to use my finger on this. I can't deal with brushes when it comes to glitter. then it'll really make my eyes pop, so hopefully it works out. But I'm gonna take this color right here. It's called a Double Dip. It's kind of pretty. I'm gonna take that Daybreak color again and put that right here so it'll contrast well with the blue. Okay, I went back over with that gold 16th shade. Making sure that Daybreak color is strong here in the inner corner. Intensifying that blue. So I'm going to take this Urban Decay 24-hour eyeliner. The shade of this is called Smog. So it won't really show up that well on the gold eyeshadow, but that's fine. So my camera is saying it is on low, so I'm going to keep turning it off and turning it on. But I'm done with the brown eyeliner, and now I'm going to go and do my eyelashes. I'm going to be using this Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. My mascara is on. Now I'm going to put the Pillow Talk highlighter by Ofra in the inner corners and on my brow bone. Onto the face, I'm going to take this Back Talk palette from Urban Decay, and I'm going to be using the Double Take. I usually do bronzer before I do blush, but I forgot. Okay, so I've been obsessing over this bronzer, you guys. It is the, what do you know, Urban Decay Beached bronzer. So, and this is in the shade Bronzed. I also love the Sun-Kissed one, but the consistency, the texture of this, the formula of it, oh my gosh, you guys. Alright, and now for the highlight. And I've got the same highlighter I used for the inner corners, so that would be the Pillow Talk by Ofra. Oh my gosh, this brush is like still kind of wet from when I cleaned it, so like it's really picking that up. Oh, can't forget the nose. What the hell? Just ignore that. For the lips, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this Urban Decay Stark Naked color. I totally overlined my lips, but like it's a nude, so you can do that. Then I'm going to take this Beached lipstick, and this, you guys, it's like literally glitter, okay? And this is called Tower 1, and I'm gonna put this right over this. And it's gonna add a beautiful sheen. But yeah, so that is the finished look. Oh wait, I wanted to put some earrings in. So I got these earrings in Mexico. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was really nice to just sit down and talk with you guys and do my makeup. And this is what I'm trying to spend my time doing this summer too, because I love it. Anyways, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!